So Jason from All for Adventure recently come into Just Autos to see us about adding some more power to his 300 series. Believe it or not, the car actually came in with a tune in it and we ran that up. The car wasn't really producing the power that it can definitely have. And the thing is that because it only had really a basic tune in it and no other supporting mods, the other modifications we do to the car are so very important. One of the things that we add to, which is a definite must, is our heat exchanger. Now, a lot of people are on the fence about why do I need it? Well, I can tell you right now, the intake temperatures on these cars climb massively, and to get control over that and maintain consistency, we need more cooling. It's as simple as that. When you're pushing more power, you need more cooling. Even in standard form, we see a massive increase in efficiency by adding our heat exchanger kit to this car. Also added our Just Autos exhaust system, which is a beautiful exhaust system that works really well. Obviously now we've got the exit of exhaust gases, we've got cooling, we need intakes, and that's where we've added a snorkel and also the Just Autos airbox that flows into that intake. So Jason's car ended up coming in, I think standard. We put the car back to standard and it was around 280 horsepower from memory, and we got that up to just shy of 400 horsepower, I believe, which made a massive improvement. You're talking about over 100 horsepower gain. The newton meters go through the roof, and that car becomes completely different to now drive. Jason's pretty heavy. My 300 series has exactly the same combination in it, and it's a lot different to drive on the road because I'm not carrying the weight. He's got bull bars and spare tyres and trays and all the bits and pieces in the back of the car that add weight. And so weight is one of our biggest killers for when we are loading up these cars and travelling. 300 series is definitely a top pick. As far as touring and travelling, this is the car to pick. This is one of my most favourite cars I've ever owned. I do believe Toyota have nailed this car. It's just a dream to drive. This is a package that wasn't just designed for Jason's car. This is a whole package that is really worthwhile doing. I use this in my own car as well as his car. We have different applications. We have our multi-mapping unit which has our tow modes and a whole lot of range of other functions in that, so we can provide the reliability and the power that you guys need. So if you want any more information, please get in contact with us.